everyone, good afternoon. My name is CHINENYE. I'm a practicing optometrist in Nigeria. I'm currently undergoing a fellowship program in low vision and rehabilitation with the Indian Academy of Optometrists. This video presentation is a clinical practical, which is a prerequisite for the fellowship award. So today I'm going to evaluate a 14 years old patient, a female student, who has been referred to a facility for a low vision evaluation. Cause of low vision diagnosed to be amblyopia and macular dystrophy. The assessment today, we are going to assess her needs, do a preclinical evaluation, and also dispense appropriate low vision devices that will be acceptable for the patient. To start, I explained to her what the assessment is all about. Then I took a detailed case history to know the condition and how best to help her. So from the history, summary of her needs: poor distant vision. She can't see the board well in class. She's so sensitive to light when she is outdoor. She brings reading material so close to see well, and then her reading is so slow. She bumps into things, and then she has difficulty crossing the road on her way to and from school. These are basically the complaints she had from the case history noted. Okay, so let's first now check her visual acuity, first at distance and at near. So we are going to do that monocularly and then binocularly. So please, can you read? Yes. Go ahead.
HZRC SNVKO OCZSN VNOSOC.
What is this?
OC.
Okay. Let's go to the left eye. Read again from beginning.
HOZRC SNVKD OCZKN VNDSC VNZVN.
Okay, the VA noted monocularly. Let's do binocularly. Can you read from here?
Yes.
Go ahead.
VNDSC.
Continue down.
NOVNO.
So what's the last line you can read now?
That one.
Go ahead.
NCVNO.
Beautiful. So let's do the near visual acuity using a Colebranda mixed contrast card. Okay, we are going to do that at 25 cm. Okay, that's fine. We'll also do that monocularly. So go ahead and read. Let's go down.
The Lord put the gifts in a long green box.
Okay, come here.
And when
Okay, lovely. So that's what you can read. So at near, for the right eye, she could read 1.6 m at 25 cm. And let's go to the left eye. Read again, let's see.
The land puts the gifts in a long green bus.
Okay.
Two of the boys slept under the lake.
So for the left side, you could also read 1.6 m at 25 cm. Binocularly, read, continue from here, let's see.
Soon.
So binocularly here, she could read 1.25 m at 25 cm. At proximal, she could read 1 m. Proximal at 12.5 cm, she could read 1 m. Okay, so now we are going to do her contrast sensitivity at near using the low contrast flip charts. Okay, you can point. Okay, yeah, call the shape out.
Square, circle, arc, circle, square, arc, house, square, circle.
Beautiful. So her contrast sensitivity is 1.25%. So let's do a refraction. Look at that spot of light. Good. So after the retinoscopy, right eye shows a high myopia and some degree of astigmatism, same with the left side. -8 sphere with combined with -175 cylinder at 10 degrees for the right eye, and then -9 combined with -250 cylinder at 170 degrees. So let's do the subjective refraction now with what we got from our retinoscopic finding. So go ahead, read please. Some degree of astigmatism. This will require dispersing spectacle prescription for her for distant viewing. However, we'll have to do cycloplegic refraction that will aid us to refine the final power she will need for distant view. So we now have to calculate magnification first at distance and also at near. So to get the power magnification at distance, that's for power for the telescope, we'll use the formula to calculate it, and the calculated magnification is 5x. So we are going to try a 5x monocular telescope here. So it's a what I'm doing, I'm going to adjust it for her. Okay, good. So you hold it. Hold it. So monopolarly, good. Let's see what you can read with it. See where I'm pointing at?
O C Z K V H N O Z H O O N H D X H C O N.
So with the 5x monocular telescope, she was able to read 0.1 logMAR. And let's compare it with a 2.1x TV Max spectacle telescope. Let's see what she can read with that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, can you read again from beginning? Let's see.
H O Z R C S N V K D X H C R N.
Okay, with this she was able to read 0.3 logMAR. So now we are going to try the magnification at near. Actual VA she read 1.6 m, and she desires to read 1.0 m. And for her to read 1.0 m fluently, she needs a reserve acuity. So we'll do the magnification at near. Her entry near VA is 1.6 m, which is equivalent to N12. And she desires to read 1 m, which is equivalent to N8. So for her to read N8 fluently, she needs a reserve acuity of M4. And so to calculate the magnification she will require, that will be approximately 3x magnification. So we are going to try a plus 12D handheld magnifier to see how well she does with that. Okay, what I have here now is a handheld magnifier, 3x, illuminated as well. Okay, baby girl, place it on it and you raise it out to see when it's enlarged and easier for you to read. Is that okay? Good. So you hold it, place it on the material. Good. You raise it out. Good. Is it clear?
Yes.
Can you read?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So go ahead and read. Let's see.
Yes.
Good. You've seen how she read with a handheld magnifier. So let's see how she reads through her distance spectacle. Okay, go ahead and read the last one you just read now. Is it clearer?
No.
Which do you prefer? Still hold it.
This.
Let's see what you can read.
So where is
So do you prefer to read through this or without it?
without it?
Okay, beautiful. So at the end of the evaluation, we've tried a 2.1x telescope. We also tried a monocular 5x telescope, and also we tried a 12 delta handheld magnifier for reading. And my recommendation, first is the spectacle correction for distant viewing, but that will be after a cycloplegic refraction. Then we're also going to give her a monocular telescope. She prefers this over the 2.1x TV Max Spectacle Telescope. The 2.1x TV Max Spectacle Telescope. And then for her reading, she will need this 12 diopter handheld LED magnifier for reading. She can that she sits in front row in class, and then bring reading material closer. It gives proximal magnification. There is nothing wrong in her doing so. So we proceed for the psychoplegic infraction. So this is the low vision evaluation form that we use to do the assessments. Thank you.